2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, 5.3L, second row bench seat, 4-wheel anti-lock brake system, AC, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo, bucket seats, CD player, cloth seats, cruise control, driver airbag, dual zone AC, flex fuel capability, 4-wheel drive, front tow hooks, heated exterior driver mirror, heated exterior passenger mirror, heated mirrors, MP3 player, passenger airbag on, off switch, power door locks, power driver seat, power steering, power windows, privacy glass, rear parking aid, running boards, telematics, tires front touring, tires rear touring, traction control, trailer hitch receiver.